Okay? Or perhaps I come and say, interact with you. I am a bank, want to bank with you. What products you will be giving to me as a role play? That will be decided. It is an easy activity. It is an activity to rekindle once again what are the products we have in our bank and to whom we are going to market. Understood? Sir. Am I clear? Yes, sir. Okay, thank you, friend.
Once I was a single voice, a whisper in the wind. Nobody knew I had a name or even that I lived.
And then one day you came along and linked me to the world. Now my smile is joined with yours. My children have your hope.
SBI, SBI, you linked me to the world. SBI, SBI, you raised me to my worth. And now my smile is joined with yours. My children have your hope. SBI. Now wherever that I travel, through far and distant lands, I write my name with happy pride, and everyone knows my hand.
I send my hard-earned fortune from here to over there, and in a matter of seconds, my loved ones feel my care.
SBI, SBI, you linked me to the world. SBI, SBI, you raised me to my worth. And now my smile is joined with yours. My children have your home. SBI, SBI, you linked me to the world. SBI, SBI, you raised me to my worth. Now my smile is joined with yours. My children have your hope. SBI, 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 SBI.